Welcome to Farm Innovations for today's top farm operator. For today's product news, we want to show you Kondex KX7 Performance Concaves, which deliver greater capacity, better threshing, and improved grain quality. Hear from Kondex Senior Application Engineer Andy Theisen on how KX7 provides greater control and flexibility to varying harvest conditions. Take a look and let us know your thoughts in the comment field below.
Hi, I'm Andy and I work with Kondex Corporation in Lamira, Wisconsin. And I wanted to talk a little bit more today about our KX7 Concaves. What we have in front of us is a kit configuration for John Deere combines, S-Series, STS, most STS models. This particular configuration is set up for small grains. So we have 3 of our max thresh rows, 3 of our max round rows. You're probably wondering why this concave looks so different than what you're used to if you're used to looking at OEM configurations. Where are our wires? Where are our rectangular bars? We don't have those. Instead, we use the max thresh configuration. It's helical design with a laser clad wear edge that keeps the edge rounded but very aggressive over the life of the part. Our max round design is heat treated, also helical. You'll notice that the round bar halves don't line up with each other as you work your way progressively back in the machine. That's intentional. That helps us promote additional disruption and separation as the crop moves back in the rotor. You'll also notice that our concave frames are half the width of your OEM designs. So in the case of this design, which is the John Deere setup, instead of 3 OEM concaves, there would be 6 frames of KX7 concaves. The setup would be very similar for a Case mid-series combine. The only difference being the attachment obviously being matched up for your machine. That also uses 6 KX7 frames versus 3 OEM configured concave modules. The principle of how our KX7 product works is early aggressive threshing, allowing for additional time for separation. By doing this, we're able to run with larger concave clearances and slower rotor speeds. That combination allows you to improve your grain quality in the tank and make fewer smaller pieces that your cleaning shoe has to separate out. Because of the helical design and the very aggressive threshing that we get with our max thresh boxes, we're able to accomplish threshing much faster, usually in the first revolution as the crop enters the concaves. This allows us to have additional length of the rotor for separation. With our max round box being very open and creating the proper grading for separating most grains, we're able to reduce rotor losses down to less than 0.5% in almost all cases. We've proven this in field visits across the country in a variety of different crops and conditions, from the toughest, wettest soybeans to dry wheat in western Kansas. For more information and to customize a configuration for your crops and to find a dealer to make a purchase, please visit our website at kx7ag.com.